sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to upload a sketch to the Neo Trinkey USB adapter. So we have Arduino IED here brought up. Then we're going to click on File, Preferences. We need to add the URL under the Manager tab here. So we're going to click on this little box here, because more than likely you already have this guy. Well, we're going to add this guy, so you can copy and paste him in there with a Control-V. Will paste it in that box. And by the way, I'll throw a link in the description to my website for this information. So we'll just click OK. We'll click OK again. Second thing, we need to go to Tools, Board Manager. Now, once this comes up, we need to install a few things. So we're just going to copy how I have it worded here on my website to make this easy. Then we're just going to paste it. Now, you're going to have to go ahead and install this guy here. Now, this might take a few minutes in order to install that, but just click the install button right here and let it do its thing. So now we're going to back out of that. We are going to copy, paste the next thing, hit enter there, and we need to install this guy. So just click the install button that would be here and let it install, and that'll probably take a few. So once that's done, we need to install a couple libraries in order for this to work. So we need to go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries. And we need to wait until that comes up. Alright, now that that's up, we're just going to paste in what we want to search. If I copied it. Paste. Maybe. There we go. Now we'll let that search out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and install this guy here. Then we need to install the free touch. So we'll wait till this is done, then I'll search that one. Then we're going to go ahead and install this guy. And now that that's done, we'll close that. Then we'll just paste in our sample sketch here that we have. Then we're going to click on File. Tools, Board, Adafruit. Then we're going to click on this guy right here. Then we'll have to plug this guy in. Then we can go down here to port once it's lit up. There we go. And we'll select on whatever port it may be. Alright, so I just went ahead and clicked on the verify, and it came back okay. So with that being said, we should be okay to click the upload. And if all goes well, it should upload with no problem. And there we go. It's uploaded. It reset. And if I touch the little touch pads, it starts doing some stuff. So maybe what I'll do is I'll do a little short video on this. Just a couple seconds here at the end of the video so you guys can see what this will do. in order so you know this sample code works. So that's how we can upload a sketch to the USB. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one, and don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe.